Some people will say a cable is just a cable, that varying prices and shiny features don't really matter or make a difference. Today, we'll be filling you in on how to assemble your very own guitar cable, and we'll hopefully explain why the makeup of a cable is of more importance than anything else. Like a chef, no matter your experience, it's the ingredients that determine the quality of the meal, and for cables, it is the types of materials used to build them that determine the quality. Here's what you're gonna need: a wire stripper, wire cutter, a thin spudger, soldering iron, crocodile holding clips or something to hold the cable still, scissors, tape, pliers, and a rag or washcloth. First, mark off 5 to 10 inches from either end of the cable. Using the pliers, cut off any exposed copper at the end to create a new tip. Using the wire cutters, gently round the cable to expose the copper. Careful not to cut too deep, then gently pull the sheeting away. Carefully separate the strands and gather them to one side of the cable. When done, twist them into a bundle. Place a 1/4 inch cable nearby to reference length. Using the wire cutters, cut the outer and inner conductors down to about 1 inch. Use the 1/4 inch for reference, and if done correctly, the inner and outer conductors should align with the outer and inner parts of the plug. Then, apply solder to create the joint between the tinned wire and the contact point. Using the soldering iron, apply it to the conductors. You melt a tiny bit of the solder onto the wire to tin them in preparation. And then solder. Repeat for the inner conductor. Done correctly, the conductor should be shiny and spread evenly. Cover the tip of the plug with tape to protect any plating. For more in-depth information on the makeup of cables, head over to our video titled "Do Cables Matter?"